Hey geeks, before we get started, make sure to do your boy a favor, like, subscribe, leave some comments on the video, let me know what you want to see in the future, and make sure to check out our giveaways playlist because we got some great giveaways coming up.
This is definitely not your dad's Transformer. Alright geeks, we're here with MP-51, the Transformers Masterpiece series, and this one is Arcee, straight out of the Transformers the movie. And I've been waiting on this one for what, I think it was announced a year ago. This is my first Masterpiece series Transformer that I've bought brand new when it came out. I have a couple other ones that I bought on eBay, but this is the first one I've gotten right at release, so I'm pretty excited. So the box is pretty boring, all black and white. It's the same on every side. Well, it's a little different on the back. It's the bottom of the box. Top of the box. Right side. Left side. Barcode, just in case you need it. Alright, so let's go ahead and dig in. We don't need to wait any longer. Ooh, authentic Takara Tomy product that's sold in Japan. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, I didn't realize, you big dummy, I didn't realize that was an outer box. So the inside box is the cool one. And here's the bottom. This is the Japanese box. I don't think you need that barcode, but just in case. Alright, so here's the real deal. See? Masterpiece newbie. I know I had seen all the other boxes had pictures. I couldn't figure out why that one was just black and white. You big dummy. Look at all that Transformers goodness going on in the back. That is the real top of the box. I'm not exactly sure what's going on in this picture. Vroom vroom. Alright. This box is so light. When it first came, I was afraid that nothing was in there. I remember when I got my Soundwave and my Grimlock, I was astounded at just how heavy the boxes were. And for this one to feel like nothing's in there, had me worried for a second. But, not really worried anymore. Let's go. Alright, so we got the instructions here. And you think I learned my lesson last time. But let's see what I can do without looking at the instructions again. I am awful. Oh, comes a nice little collector's card. Transformers Masterpiece, MP-51, Cybertron Warrior, Arcee. And I don't have Google Translate. Ooh, and the instructions are in Japanese. Didn't see that one coming. I wonder why they write Transformers and Masterpiece in English, and they write the titles of the section in English, and everything's in Japanese. I don't know much about Japan, so maybe somebody in the comments can tell me. But alright, so I'll give it a go without the instructions. Hopefully I won't need them. It's funny, she feels heavier outside the box than she did in the box. So, chock full of goodness here, locked up in her cage. You see she's got a blaster, she's got blast effects, she's got, 1, 2, 3 blasters. She's got 3 different faces. I don't know what that thing is on the right, I'll have to check that out, but man, you get your money's worth. And then there's the undercarriage. Not exactly a booty shot. I'm gonna say it anyway. Cybertronian booty shot. Let's get this good plastic here open. tape everywhere. Oh, be careful. Pieces are popping out. Alright, so we got a lot of stuff here. So she's got 3 alternate faces here, and I'm assuming she has one on her body, so for a total of 4. I may be wrong. We'll find out in a second. So looking good so far. Alright, there's her happy face. Mouth wide open. And I guess that's a smiley face. Mouth halfway open. And that's like the I'm about to say something face. Cool pink rifle. Gun holster. Laser blaster. I won't lie and say I know what this is. Her sidearm. Don't know why this is gray when everything else is pink. Big time blast effect. Smaller explosive effect. Looks like a small firing laser effect. And she has arrived. Let's just breathe in. That new transforming car smell. Close up the front, side. Oh, you know what's so funny? It's hard to see in real life on the camera. I can see that there's actually gradient there, so it's like a vent. That's pretty cool. Hit the side. You can see even on the car, there's a lot of detail. You got a steering wheel, looks like a stereo, center console, glove compartment. And underneath, looks like you're stowing a dead body. Alright, let's see if I can transform her. Alright, let's see what we got here. Old school, most cars. Separate a little bit. This one doesn't seem to. Yep. Okay, so what do we do here? That come forward also. Yeah, seems like it. Huh? Aha, there we go. That's looked like they were holding her in place there. And, oh, the hands are swinging out by themselves. I guess my finger hit them. Alright, so how far do those swing back? Let's see. Here's her head. I can't swing up yet. Ooh, there's a lot. Uh-oh. Something going on here. Okay, that flips up for some reason. And there's some plastic on here. Let me get the plastic off. Oh, so those are her legs in there. I didn't even realize that. Alright, so then those must have to flip out. Oh, yep. There we go. Ha ha ha. You're not so tough. Yeah, that's obviously her butt. Why are those legs not folded all the way down? Oh, there we go. Boom, boom. And that one leg is not in the right spot. Why? Why are you not working with that? Alright, we'll talk in a second. Alright, so her head must sit in there. So her head has to flip out. So this is in the way, so that must move. Yeah, the people that build these things must be engineering geniuses, because this stuff can't be easy. Everything here feels like it comes. Oh, okay. I see. So how does that come out? Does that flip down? Okay, there's a hinge there. Ah ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Okay. See that there, and this must flip down. That flips behind her. I guess those wheels flip in. Let's bring that head forward. Oh, all this stuff's starting to fold. I guess those would fold in, because they definitely don't fold out until she's driving. Come on, big. Oh, that comes down. Okay, cool. This leg here is still looking wonky. Oh, that was neat. I don't even know how I did that. Now that's some serious engineering. You gotta give props to these guys. It angled in. Okay, there she is. I know that doesn't go up like that, but I will fix her feet while I'm here. That's easy enough, right? Those buttons allow her legs to move, it looks like. I must have hit that by mistake. Okay. Okay, that folds there. No, those don't separate. Oh, the windshield folds up. So this comes. Okay, so this must be in the way here. Does this open up? Does this open up? Oh, that folds out. Is that supposed to come down? Talk to me here. Let's see. Okay, so I look under here. There's no separation there. No separation there. So, oh, this probably folds up. Does this go in there? Oh, okay. So that comes down like that. Why does this fold? Is that to support her head? Does her head have to stay? Okay, her head was caught in there, that's why. Alright. Aha! There we go, that's much better. These come into the side. Her arm looks pretty bad there. I don't think those hang out to the side. Let me check the picture on the box. Alright, so I'm determined not to use these instructions. Alright, so that should go down there. Okay, good. That locks in there. And, okay, so all this is folded up in the back. So I need to fold that up. So this, oh, okay, there we go. That folds up there. Oh, those go in. Aha. Oh, and that's why the window folds up. I wonder if there's any slots for it to lock into. I don't see any slots for it to lock into, so I think they just rest there. Does this go together? No, doesn't look like it. I think I might have done a good job. So I think I'm done. I'm gonna now check the instructions to see if I got the back right. Alright, so the instructions show the back being pushed together but not having any connection piece. So I believe that's right. And I believe that's, yeah, so the front grille of the car just sits on top of those little shoulder hinges. And she is transformed. So I was fumbling around with her and I noticed that her taillights flip downward. But these don't seem to sit in there squarely. So I'm not sure why they fold down. I guess to maybe not get in the way. Not sure. They look like they would connect in, but they don't seem to fit. Oh, so looks like these fold in and go a little bit flat. They don't go down there. And then you slide that back down and that folds over there. Okay, that looks a lot better. Okay, yeah, that does look better. And I messed up her front a little bit. There we go. Lift her head up. Alright, so one thing I missed before when I was doing the back, this window, the windshield needs to be flipped around and tucked in here for the back to sit properly. And then she comes down like so. Well, these wings have to be tucked under here. Then she comes down like so. You put her chest in place. And that's what I messed up before. When you turn around, you'll have the white to white, the gray to gray. I messed that up earlier. And her taillights stay facing down. I had folded them earlier, but they're supposed to face down. Alright, so I'm assuming I got her right. To be honest with you, the instructions don't make it much clearer. As always, they're a bit convoluted and they are not in English. And the pictures aren't clear enough, but she looks good to me. So after I finish this video, I'll do some research online, and if I did it wrong, I'll do an update either here or on Instagram. But what I did do looks pretty good to me, so I'll take it. So when I was putting her up on the stand, I noticed that she has articulated fingers, which I think is awesome. And I can't lie, this is my first MP that I'm opening, like I said, and I was kind of taken aback by how light she was, and I was like, well, what's the big difference between these and regular Transformers, especially for the price difference? But the quality there is clearly different. The articulation, the joints, everything, it feels really different from your standard Transformers. So the difference makes sense to me. And her armor has like a high gloss finish. The white part's where I'm talking about, not the car part, and I think that's pretty awesome. Alright, so let's look at the alternate faces. Oh, she's got a little brain. Oh, so you slide the face out there. What is this in here? Oh, she has a visor. What? Oh. Alright, so took out that face. And we'll slide in the wonderment face. And then, oh, look at her little visor. That is so dope. But we'll play with that later. I want you to see the different faces. Alright, so there's her bewildered face. Now be careful if you're changing her faces out. If you look here, you see they have multiple grooves. I don't know why. So when you're putting it in, it's real easy for the two prongs to get into different grooves. I guess we'll call this one her happy face. They don't all look that different to me. Where's her warrior face? Where's the face for when she's getting in fights? I guess that's her battle face. Alright, so apparently the other slot is for when you use the visor, because whew, you have to move her face back in order for the visor to fit on there. So when I did it the first time, I had accidentally put it in a slot that was further back. And now, oh yeah. Okay, man. Genius. Genius. Alright, so yeah, so for the visor to sit correctly on her face, you have to use the slot that's further back. Apparently, I didn't realize that she can use her weapons in vehicle mode. This is one of the weapons that comes out of her, so there is some kind of notch on her in vehicle mode where she can actually attach this weapon, so we're gonna have to look at that too. So when you're putting her guns in her hands, these little bars here fit into these slots right under her fingers. You can see a little space right there. Ooh, yeah. She's tough, man. Ooh, she's coming in blazing. I love it. She can also store her rifle on the side. They have slots for them. If you want to have her dual wield her pistols, all you gotta do is slap the rifle on the side and you're good to go. Yes, Arcee is ready. Top notch, top notch, top notch. Taking fire. I got so caught up, I forgot about the articulation. Then I just realized that when I did my Expanse review, I didn't do the articulation. Newbie. Anyway, alright, so got her up here. Her head does a full 360. We get good tilt there. Tilt in the other direction. I don't think you'd ask for much more looking down there. So there's a swing hinge joint here at her shoulder. Gives you a lot of range. So you can put it forward and then look how far that swings in. She can hug herself. Double jointed elbows. She can wipe her robot tears. Get it up behind her head. Get a full 360 around. And they come up way above her shoulders. She can do whatever, man. Alright, so for her waist, you don't get a full 360 there. It stops at the side, so when she's swiveled, you can see that's the angle you get there. You can come back in the other direction, and it stops there. Alright, so her split's not that wide. If I let go, the legs will fall down, I think. Oh no, it holds. We were falling before. Heck yeah, she can. Look at that. Whew. It's insane. And you see her hips do have that extension hinge there, so you can come out. Yeah, do that transformer. I don't think you'd want to do any posing like that though. Double jointed knee. Her foot gets up by her butt, but doesn't quite kick her butt. See that gap there? There's no rotation on the leg pieces, but you can get crazy dynamic poses with her. The toes do fold down and fold up. There is no ankle articulation. Looks like it moves, but it doesn't. Oh. And you can swing the ankles up and down, but not left to right. So pretty good range going down the ankle, but you don't get a lot of range pointing up. So I transformed her back into car mode so I can show you how to put the weapons on when she's in car mode. So this little jaggy thing, you know, like James Bond that comes out the side, there's a little slot right here. You can just stick it right in there on either side. There we go. Click, click. And her blaster, there's a slot on either side in the back. can just stick that in there. So the other side, you can also put her holster there, and then you can stick her pistol back there. And this pistol, according to instructions, can be stored under the carriage here somewhere. Oh, there we go. There we go. You can store her small pistol right here up front. You can store her big pistol in the back. And then you've got her rifle here and her little saw blade there. That's pretty awesome. Alright, so there you go. Transformers Masterpiece MP-51 Cybertron Warrior Arcee in the bag. So, what do I think of her? I actually love it. I don't collect the regular Transformers, the $20 line or $30, $40 line. They're in stores. There's way too many of them. I decided to just go with the Masterpiece series because they only release like 2 or 3 a year, and they're really high quality, and it's nice and slow for me, and I'm digging it. So I've got to rip into the other ones that I have because this one's got me excited. So let me know what you think in the comments. Is Arcee worth it? Do you collect the Masterpiece series, or are you sticking with the regular toy lines? Sound off in the comments. Let me know how I'm doing. This is only my second Transformer review. I'm getting the hang of it. I'm gonna try and get better. Appreciate all the support. Make sure to hit the like button, whether you like the video or not. It helps me out. Subscribe and turn on notifications to see the rest of my Transformer videos. Check out Geek Hangover on Instagram for more pics. Till next time, geek out.